Hi, I'm Hunter with PivIT Global. Today we're going to be talking about the critical importance of having spare equipment when you need it and where you need it. At PivIT, we hear stories time and again of IT teams being told that they would have a spare delivered by their maintenance provider within the agreed upon SLA, and then find out there was no spare designated to them from the beginning. We wanted to help solve this problem once and for all for our customers, so we created the Sparing Integrity Program. Joe, if you could tell us a little bit about why the Sparing Integrity Program is so important and how you've seen our customers be helped by the Sparing Integrity Program.
Yeah, great question, Hunter. It's important because our customers come to us every week with stories of how their maintenance provider said they had spare equipment designated for them, but when they actually have down equipment and need the spare, it's nowhere to be seen for 1, 2, even 5 business days. That's a huge problem when it comes to critical infrastructure. One of the biggest scams of hardware maintenance is providers promising they have a spare for you and then giving you no proof that they actually do. So behind the scenes, when you submit a ticket to get that spare to your facility, the maintenance provider scrambles to find one and have it overnighted to you. In other words, there was no spare in the first place.
Yeah, makes sense. And Al, how does OneCall's Sparing Integrity Program guarantee that our customers have the spares that they need when they need them? Tell us about how it works.
Yeah, sure. Actually, it's super easy, and we're happy to be transparent about every stage in the process. After we've onboarded a new customer with a custom optimized maintenance strategy, we provide you with the exact serial numbers of the spares dedicated to you. They are yours and yours alone. We'll also provide you with the address of the depot of where your spares live if you want. We have depots all over the world, so we're as close as you need us to be. That way, you know, when you request a spare and you have a 4-hour SLA, that spare will be in your facility in 4 hours or less with all the needed accessories ready to plug and play.
That's great. Thank you guys for helping us understand OneCall's Sparing Integrity Program. If you don't have the peace of mind that your spares are where you thought they were, ask your provider for the serial number and the address of the depot. And if you'd like the assurance of spares dedicated to you, reach out to your sales rep or email us at hello@pivotglobal.com to get a conversation started.